Now, as I'm doing this video, NEO stock is down 3.7%, resulting or causing more panic to some of the new investors. Personally, when the market opened, when it was down 5%, I went in the market and I seen on the screen scooped 50 shares. So today I went shopping once again onto the NEO stock and scooped 50 shares onto this stock. I mean, my average right now onto NEO after those 50 shares I bought, it's at exactly $19, which is something that is pretty exciting. I would like to see my average at least coming down to $15, which therefore means that I need to continue loading the boat. And my plan is that every day I see NEO on the red, this week I'll either load at least 50 shares or 100 shares depending on the available funds at that particular time. So I'm willing to continue doing dollar cost averaging onto this stock, and I just decided that maybe I try to be open about it, which is why I'm also telling you that today I acquired or I bought 50 shares of this NEO stock, and I'm happy about. I'm not regretting at all, and I'm going to continue doing that because NEO is a company that continues showing some growth. I mean, as I'm doing this video right now, NEO smart driving feature for the month of July saw 120 million kilometers. Now, from these 120 million kilometers which the NEO users drove for the entire month of July, 87.5 million kilometers were used with pilot assistance, which is something that shows you that chances are most times the NEO users were utilizing these pilot assistance, which is of course the NOP plus, which enables the users or the new users to sometimes let the car drives itself, or like your cruise control system, which is something that is pretty exciting. Over and above this, you've got your parking assistant features and all these kind of things. I mean, a couple of weeks ago we read of a new feature that NEO will be bringing, which will enable their users to be able to send their cars to a new battery swapping station, which is something that it is pretty exciting, and we look forward to that. So I'm happy. This is part of the reason why I continue investing onto the NEO stock, because one of the things that we are seeing, even when it goes to battery swapping stations, users are enjoying to using NEO cars, or these NEO cars using NEO's technology, which is something that is pretty exciting. I mean, very soon, I think in the next couple of minutes, we are going to see NEO achieving, or NEO users are reaching 50 million swaps, which will be a very huge milestone unto NEO. So the total swap that the NEO users would have accumulated to date will be over 50 million, which I will be able to do another video sharing that success as soon as it comes. But as it stands for now, there's just a lot. But as it stands for now, they are almost at 50 million swaps, which 50 million, it will be another huge milestone for the NEO users, especially looking at the battery swapping station technology. So on my side, it's a no-brainer. Whenever I see a red day, I accumulate more shares, and hoping to get to my average of at least $15 per stock, which coming from an average of $36 to $15, I think it definitely means that I've been doing a lot of piling, loading, and I hope to see myself being rewarded from the NEO stock. I'm not panicking. I mean, this low trading price offers opportunity to scope more holdings. NEO is a company that is doing absolutely well. Sales wise, they are doing well. In the next 15 days, they might be launching or seeing their first sub-brand Onvo L60 rolling off the production line, which that model will be the very first of their sub-brand that is ready to be sold. As you know that many of those cars that we were seeing, the Onvo L60, those were exhibition cars, which therefore means they cannot sell those cars. Those cars were just out there for NEO, or for us rather, to see the kind of a car Onvo L60 is. So I'm excited. I'm going to continue loading the boat. Tomorrow, if NEO opens on the red once again, guess what I'm doing? I'm loading either 50 or 100 shares, adding to my total NEO shares, which will continue reducing my average stock price onto the NEO stock. So this is basically what I'm thinking I'll be doing the rest of the week. I'm hoping that I acquire 250 shares this week, but I'll see what the market gives me. But that's my target for the week. If NEO continues offering or bringing me such opportunities, I'm definitely going to continue load the boat and see myself if I cannot scoop 250 shares this week. That will not only add to my NIO holdings but also bring my average share price or purchase price onto NIO, which is something that I look forward to. I mean, I'm investing onto this stock for the longer term. So when I invest onto NIO, I'm thinking about where NIO could be in the next 5 years, not just looking at the share price but looking at the company as a whole. I look where the company could be, the kind of revenues they could be generating, the kind of sales that they will be generating on a month to month. That is what I'm looking at, and I must say, when I look at that, it makes me want to load the boat, increase my holdings onto the NIO stock, because I know absolutely it's a no-brainer that blue sky is coming. Next year we are going to see profitability, and from there onwards we are going to see NIO sales continuing to ramp up, NIO sales continuing to be more, which is something that is absolutely great. So I just thought I'd just give you this quick updates. Tell me what you think. I know some of the investors or retail investors will be panicking because NIO share price, once again, it's on a red. It's down 3.7%, and therefore it's causing a lot of people to panic. But to others, I've seen also in the streets of social media, some people are using this low trading price as opportunity to scoop more shares. There are a couple of guys which I saw scooping from couple of hundred shares in over 1,000 shares, so taking the opportunity of the low trading price of NIO. And I think we are definitely going to be rewarded by doing so, because blue sky is coming. Otherwise, with all that, I just thought I'd just give you this quick update. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the likes button, comment and subscribe. And once you subscribe, don't forget to hit or click that notification bell so that at least you get notified by YouTube every time I drop a new content. Otherwise, that's all from me. I wish you nothing but the best in your stock market investing journey. Do your own due diligence before you buy this stock for the very first time, because NIO stock can be quite volatile, and this is what we are exactly seeing onto this stock. It has nothing to do with the company. The company is doing great. It's just that the market, it is just reacting bad towards the NIO stock. Yes, I know most stocks are down, but I mean, Chinese stocks have been beaten for quite some time, and I believe that our time will come where we'll rise and shine and we see the blue sky that we've been waiting for some time coming. Otherwise, that's all from me, and God bless you all.